Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to set a recurring transactions on your QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account using your login credentials. Once you are on your dashboard, at the left side menu or the navigation section, you can find transactions. Simply click on transactions where you can find recurring transactions. Here it is. At the very last, you can find the recurring transactions tab where you will be able to set a recurring transactions. So for setting up a recurring transaction, you have to do is simply click on the new button here at the right side. Now from here you have to select the transaction type. For example, I'm going to select it like bill here. Okay. Now once you have added the bill recurring transaction, the template name is like electricity, and here is the schedule. You can add it as a scheduled here, or you can add utility bill, sorry for that. So once you have added, you can add schedule. Make sure you have set it as schedule, so you don't need to add manually each and every time. It will automatically schedule give you the invoice and pay, and you can pay that bill if you want. So now create it can, if you want to get alert about the date before some day of deadline, so you can add this, that it will create the invoice before, like if you add 2 days, that's when it will create 2 days before. And here is the supplier. You can select supplier, or you can add the supplier from here. That's not mandatory, but here's the interval where it is for if it is monthly payment, so you can select monthly or weekly, or you can add it daily or yearly also. So monthly, and the day first of a month of every month's first day, it will create the invoice of every 1 month. Here you can see I have selected it. You can change it, you can make it second day or 10th day here, and if you want to change it 2 months, like every 2 months it will give you the invoice, so you can set it here also. But I want each month's first day, so I have just set it interval here. So it's up to you how you can set your interval. Now the start date, you have to add the start date from here, so I have just started it today. Int means non. Now the mailing address here, you can add the mailing address, you can add anything from here, add any mailing address from here, test. Now the terms, you can add a terms from here, so I'm going to add a terms. The location, you can add a location of your business location, anything you want. Then the checkout and the categories here, you can add the category, like you can select account fee or bank charges or anything to get all the details or analytics that you're paying related to the bill here. So like I'm going to search for, like there is like billable expense income here, or this is expense here, or I'm going to add it to the expenses, like expenses. There is different types of expenses here. So there is like which is office expenses here, so I have added it. Now the description, you can add the description and the amounts. For example, I'm going to add the amounts here. Now once you have added, you can add the item details. It's if you don't want to, then don't worry, you can add memo, that's mean details. Then you can add some images or documents or anything. So after that you have to simply click on save template. So sorry for that, you have to add the supplier from here, so you can add a supplier with their title, first name, last name, middle name, their supplier display name, the company name here, the email address, phone number, all of this from here, address here, billing address, or some note that you want to add with the supplier, and the additional information like tax ID here, expense rate, and payments here, all of this. Once you have added, you will be able to add this. So I have just added our suppliers, then you can save and continue. So you can see I have just set up our recurring transactions on QuickBooks. So that's how you can just do it. Also you can edit it anytime you want. Simply click on edit button and it will allow you to edit. And also you can use it or duplicate, or you can pause it here, or you can skip next date, or you can delete it anytime you want. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.